Welcome back. Welcome back. I already used my P. Louise base in room 5. If y'all don't have none of this, y'all should get some, because this stuff, do you see how flawless the base is? It's crazy. I'm gonna put the picture up right here. I got my Q-tip with some micellar water on it, and I'm gonna try and clean up the eyeshadow a little bit, which it doesn't really need cleaning up. I could just cut it, but I don't want to have a gunk of base on my lid. My white blank canvas. Oh no, yeah, Room 0. Now I'm gonna cut a line like this against my lash line. I know y'all are like, what the hell is she doing? Trust me. Just trust me. And most of the time a look don't come together till you put the face together, so just trust me. Y'all, I don't know what it is with white liners, but why do white liners crack? Every white liner I have ever tried has cracked. What is the issue? Somebody need to fix that. Alright, I'm gonna throw some lashes on, finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back. Okay y'all, this is the final look. Let me in the comments. But yeah, the pictures will be on Instagram.